DJ HECTOR.
Hey, what's up guys, welcome to the video. It's DJ HECTOR and today I'm gonna show you how to automix in virtual DJ. So let me first open my virtual DJ. My virtual DJ will look like this. And here in this corner right here, we have a slide list. We also have samples right here and automix here plus karaoke. So you press in automix, then you go to your playlist, start adding, go to your playlist, then start adding. So shit. Then start adding. You may add many tracks as you can. Then you can go here. You set how your automix should flow. Here is the automix type. There's smart. First put on smart. Then I'll play. You can also use fade in and out. Then there you can also see the length. You can put it on 2 gaps, 16 seconds, 8 seconds, and anything you want. Then you can repeat a song. Here is, you can clear this. Here this is auto remove. If the song is done to play, then you remove it. Here is shuffle once, remove already played, duplicate and save. So that's all about auto mixing. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the bell notification. Till next time, peace.